Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's episode, Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Air Max 90 Current DQM Bacon. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. I upload every Saturday, and with that all being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about the shoe before we get into it, like I always do. In the box we have the Air Max 90 Current DQM Bacon, which released in November 2009. This is obviously a follow-up from DQM's original release in 2004 with the Air Max 90 Bacon, which I've covered on the channel previously if you want to have a look at that. Obviously DQM, if you don't know, stands for Dave's Quality Meats, and it is a concept shop which was made in New York. A chap called Dave Ortiz was the founder behind it, and he was the first person that Nike did a collaboration with, so quite a cool little story. Feel free to check that out. When I say collaboration, I mean like an Air Max 90 collaboration with. But yeah, anyway, so this is a UK 9, currently going, again, difficult one to find online due to the age of it, but I saw it going for £583. I can't remember if it was on StockX or Go. I'll put pictures up of both, and then that'll show you which one it was. But yeah, so there is the size label. So the colourway for this is Overcast, Perfect Pink and Dark Cinder. And yeah, came in this old style Nike sportswear box. Do love seeing the old box. It's nice to sort of reminisce and see it in all its glory. But anyway, let's get into the shoes a bit more. So I've taken the paper out on these, as I always do, so no surprises there. Shoe itself is a really nice design. So you have what is, it's a smooth leather underneath it, but I believe it was originally suede. I think the suede's actually brushed off over time on this, because of this shoe feels a lot more suede than the other. But you have this dark brown suede going into this nice bright pink swoosh, and then you have the semi-translucent red Huarache stabilizer. So if you didn't know about the current Air Max 90, I have covered another version of this shoe with the Huff Quakes on the channel, but basically this is a concept, it's a hybrid between the Air Max 90 and the Nike Huarache. So it has this Nike Free inspired midsole with the Air Max units going onto the back as well, onto the outsole as well. There you can see where it's split up, helping with the movement of the shoe is the idea behind that. Really cool concept. Nike didn't make enough of these. I think it's a really nice idea. They're so comfortable as well. This material is so soft and so breathable. You can see all these sort of perforations here. They got them on the tongue as well, where it has the Nike East on there in the circle with the brown and pinks with the red backing. And then on the back it has the Nike brand as well with the Air Max on the side. Unfortunately, it's pretty known with these shoes, it does crack away over time. But you know, again, it's an old shoe, you sort of expect these things. I really love the waffle print throughout this shoe. I think it's a really nice sort of distinguishing factor for it. But yeah, the air unit on this is a dark red, which you can see there. And like I say, the outsole is that dark brown and white. So yeah, there's no differences between the shoe, like I said, only because of mine are aged differently, and unfortunately it has that glue stain as well. But yeah, with that all being said, let's jump to some on foot. Okay, so that just about sums up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me massively growing the channel. Also, comment down below if you've got any questions regarding this shoe or any other shoes I've covered on the channel. It's called Let's Talk Creps for a reason, so let's talk about it. But until next time, I hope to see you all in the next video.